Press the new order icon. A dialog box will appear at the bottom left, showing the chronological sequence of individual working steps from top to bottom. In the first working section, which is labeled Order, you can now create a customer or a patient. If required, you can enter a comment. However, the field can also remain empty. Select the desired type of model design. In this video, we generate a planning model for orthodontics. Clicking the next icon leads to the next working step called Import. You can import the desired maxilla scan by left-clicking the upper jaw import icon. Use the lower jaw import icon to add the matching mandible. If a scan of the bite registration is available, you can load it using the pre-op scan icon. It is possible to crop the scan using the crop scan icon. Define the occlusal plane, which will subsequently serve as the reference plane for the base. Set 3 points to create the ideal occlusal plane. You can correct the plane by moving the selected points while keeping the left mouse button pressed. You can move the entire plane vertically using the mouse wheel. Define the median plane by setting 2 points. You can correct the plane you have set if necessary. The last plane to be defined is the tuba plane. This is usually set approximately 1.5 centimeters beyond the last molar. The model base size can be changed via the selection. If the model base is too small and protrudes into the mold, an error message appears. Select the next model base size. By selecting the appropriate model base, an arrow appears to move it vertically or horizontally. Use the mouse wheel to move the model base in the selected plane. You can use the engrave model icon to add a label to the upper and/or lower jaw if required. You can use the mouse movement to rotate the labeling and the mouse wheel to reduce or enlarge the labeling. Using the Export Models icon, you can save the created model in the desired storage path for subsequent 3D printing.